YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself. Right now is middle of February, Indiana, not the warmest time, not the best time definitely to work outside, but I have this problem on my Ford Transit. I had this windy week, being on the road. I heard this rattling noise. Took me a little bit to find out what it is. Sounded from the back. I thought it could be rods for the latch inside the door, maybe muffler. Turned out there was the heat shield in the back. This heat shield that right here, I don't know if you can see it, it cracked, and when I was on the road, picked this bungee strap, you know, just to secure it. But what it was, you know, to get home, what it was doing, it was when I was driving on the wind, and I'm guessing it was broke off for some time, but you know, it was, I'm thinking hidden somewhere over here. See, in the back it's all nice and secured, but in the front over here, right here, see, it cracked and no support. So I guess the easiest thing is to maybe buy a new heat shield, or even easier, spend some time and some money and go to Ford dealership and they will fix it for you. But not me. What I'm gonna try to do, since it's right here, that's the spot. I think it was knocking on the road, because that's what I heard. This is not the problem, obviously, over here where it's hitting my hitch bracket. But what I'm gonna try to do today, I will put a few screws over here into a frame, and so it wouldn't rust, you want to put some caulking in there or something like that to protect. And I will attach it to another heat shield that it's hitting over here. So that's the plan. Again, not the best time of the year to work on this kind of projects, but you know, dressed up warm, and I think a few screws and this should take care of this problem, and I'll show you what it looked like when I'm done. So that's what I did. So you put a screw over here on the side, put one on the bottom, and put one over here in the frame. And that one, when you run it in the frame, you know, I put it with the caulking to prevent from rusting, and now it's super solid, not moving at all. So this one should last me for another year or so at least.